Okay, so that was smart dimension. Let's now see how to trim entities. So still on the front plane, we can sketch a rectangle, then go to trim entities. Select power trim, which is the commonest. This one is just for removing unwanted lines, assuming I didn't want this line. So press on the left click and drag, then it trims like that, like that. You can undo by coming here or pressing Ctrl Z on your keyboard. Let's see a circle how trim works. Of course, it is one line which is continuous. It will remove the entire circle like that. Or maybe if I add two rectangles touching each other and then I come to power trim, it will remove the adjacent ones. You can see how it is removing. It's like an eraser. Yeah. If you don't want to drag your mouse, you can come to trim to closest and then select the line you want to trim. Press the left click to remove it. Let's see again if it's a polygon, what happens. So go to trim, click on it. We are in trim to closest. Pick out this line to remove it. You see? So it won't remove the entire. Once you see something has been highlighted, that's what will be removed. It won't remove from this point up to that point because there's this center line here which is touching. So if I click there like that, let's see power trim. Yes. Can explore the other trim options, but the easiest and fastest is the power trim or trim to closest. Just pick what you want to trim. Yes. And like I said, once you've made an error, you can always press Ctrl Z. This is the opposite. Redo. It's Ctrl Y. Alright, we shall then look at the linear sketch pattern and the circular sketch pattern.